Yeah.
A student is asking, is it possible for you to do the same amount of production in this situation? Do you face the worker issues and how do you deal with that?
So right now, everyone knows because we are not fall into essential goods, right? So even though toothbrush is essential, but unfortunately Pune is badly affected due to lots of hotspot around the city. So there are lots of travel constraint. So definitely the production. So 20th March was the last day when we start our machines, and now till 21st of May, it is almost more than 2 months. It was completely black down. So right now we are not producing anything, but yes, we did a lot of things, like we keep running all the machines one by one just to make sure that things are running, things are not choke up. We clean our all the pipelines like air pressure and measure everything on time, because during the production time every time you say okay chalta hai, but now we are making sure that all machines should get equally air pressure, all machines should get equally all the resources that we are planned for or that machine is required for. So we arrange our all the logistics area. We again interact with all the customers uh, one to one, just asking their expectation in coming future. But as far as production is concerned, not only Bamboo India, but I think 90% of the MIDC, those who are working in non-essential commodity, is completely stopped their production.
So the next question we have is, you said that the business model has changed. Could you please elaborate on the exact business model which you have had to adopt, rather adapt to, as opposed to your earlier business model?
So right now, the business model is changed when we say now the priority of a shop people are completely changed. So earlier it was everyone is very predicted about the future. They want to buy all those things, but right now there are limitation of money. So now everyone is having very limited money, or even though they have money, they don't want to spend on luxury part, or they just want to keep the money, or they are into the power saver mode, some kind of situation where they just want to spend the money very wisely. So nowadays we need to means all the entrepreneurs need to think very carefully. The value of money should be, or the value of a product should be very high. It should not like earlier it was people having lots of monies and they are ready to spend also, but now with the limited money, people and the fear of getting affected or the slowdown, people are spending very very carefully. So as an entrepreneur we need to understand the mentality and design or budgeting or cost or price range or the products on that particular range. That's it.
Okay. And so, how do you supply your products in outer places during lockdown? Is the supply still going on?
No, 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 no. So as I told you, still as far as our business is concerned, till 1st of June, everything was completely means stopped. The courier service is still not started full function. Courier service is also like they are only serving in particular area because of the labor issue. Now, in future, the labor issue is going to be a very, very severe. So uh, so courier delivery boys are not available during this lockdown period, or since 1st of June. Even though lockdown is partially over, but still there are some areas that you don't need to allowed to go. So that's the reason. Still we are facing the delay in the delivery, and the business is completely stopped. So as I told you, so regular business is completely stopped. Production stop, your delivery stop, everything. Only what you can do in this period, only you can connect with your customers, you can talk to them, try to understand, retrospect your business, and just work around that. That's it.
Okay. And so, as you're using bamboo, and the environment might get affected. So, how do you manage to keep a balance? Like, do you have plantation campaigns or some other ways?
Okay, so just to tell you about India is world's second largest bamboo growing country. So we have enough raw material available in India, and Maharashtra is India's second largest bamboo growing state after Madhya Pradesh. So we have sufficient bamboo available with us. As far as our company is concerned, we have always 4 months raw material always in house with us, because bamboo is like so after cutting bamboo to bring to your plant, it will take more time processing and everything. So we have around 4 months raw material always ready with us. So as far as bamboo is concerned, we don't have any problem with the raw material. And now the rain is coming, so we are also planning to put some bamboo trees in our plant so that
Tanushree?
Yeah. So we can't hear
I
you.
guess sir is having
There
some
is some
connection.
network issue. Yes.
very shortage amount of bamboo available in the market. So we always
So we can't hear you.
is it okay now?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
Maybe network is not that much supportive today.
yeah.
So we have another question. Uh, how do you prioritize things in the business?
So prioritize in the sense of which there are lots of priorities.
Uh,
So the most
Actually,
priority is your customer, definitely. So what your customer is demanding, that is always on the priority. So
okay.
like if you want to so always as far as the requirement is concerned, so we are the bamboo entity. So lots of people are having lots of ideas, so they are always giving us a suggestion. Okay sir, why you are not doing this, why you are not doing that, so can you make this product possible? So we are constantly doing something. So we already have a list, like okay, these are the questions raised by the customers in the past, and whenever we had a meeting, so we just try to discuss, is there a possible, like lots of girls are asking, can we have a makeup brush with the bamboo, right? So we just want to make sure that maybe next time we will design a makeup brush kit for the girls from bamboo, because there are lots of brushes with the plastic handles available in the market. So can we reduce that plastic with the bamboo material? So that also we are working on that. So like this, there are lots of the priorities always there in the market. But the obviously the first priority of the customer expectation and supply the right quality material with the right with on time delivery. So that is the main things.
Okay. So another question. Since you have workers or laborers from both the sides, the farmer who works to give you bamboo and those who work in your factory, have you stopped paying them their salaries or have you lowered their wages or have you made efforts to support them? Specifically talking about the blue collared workers.
Definitely, when we locked down initially, so that was major concern. But every businessman having their a 2 months or 3 months backup always there in place. So fortunately, lockdown is not extended more than 3 months. So in this reason, till so far we have not get affected with our balance sheet, and we paid our laborers on time. So that is the things we do our best to our employees. That's it. Regarding the farmers, it is we are not paying them on regular basis. Whenever we purchase bamboo, that time we always pay them. So last 2.5 months we have not purchased anything. So there is no transaction between the farmers and us. Yeah, they are cutting their bamboo and putting at their farm. So when the transportation start, then the cycle will go on.
Okay. So we have one last question.
Mhm.
How is the maintenance of your machinery in this lockdown?
Yeah, as I told you, so that was the most worry part for us, because we have a very huge, not huge, but we have lots of machineries in the farm, in our factory, and it is very difficult to shut all those machines for 2.5 months. So when we realized after 10 days that this lockdown is going to be extended more than 1 month or 2 months, or there is no end date as of this as now decided, so we immediately started working on those the prevention plan. So we have SOP, that is standard operating procedure for the prevention of work, prevention of maintenance of work. So we started immediately that. So every alternate day or every alternate 2 to 3 days, we just uh, going to the factory with, as I told you, with the proper government permission, and just try to bring those machine up for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, not for the production, but just to make sure that all the parts are moving correctly. There is no leakage of oil or there is no breakage of power. The air pressure is going particularly well. And as I told you earlier also, so we always making sure that when the machine was installed, it was 2 years back or 1 year back. So that time there was an installation guide, but after that, when it was in the production, it is a human tendency to ignore some parameters. So during this period, we make sure that all the machines health in a good condition, that oil is properly filled up, the or air filter is properly clean. So now henceforth we made a proper updation in our SOP, that these are the periodical checks we need to follow even after the lockdown, so that we need to make sure that these kind of things happen on periodically. So now, as I told you, only 28 days we are every month. Henceforth, we will be working. Next last 2 days, we always kept in a buffer to work on those pending points. That's it.
Okay. So I think we are short of time, so I would like to conclude this session. We do not have any more questions as well. So
Okay.
thank you, sir. That was indeed very enlightening. And on behalf of our college, I would like to thank you for sharing the ideas, insights, and experiences with us today. I would also like to appreciate the efforts of our organizing team, which has Harjas, Rohan, Ruhan Singh, Mohammad, Raghuveer Singh, Bhumi, and Richa.
Feedback link. Feedback link.
Yeah, the feedback link has been posted on the WhatsApp group as well as here. You have to fill it up within 1 or 2 hours, because after that we'll be closing the link.
Thank you so
All
much.
right. Thank you, everyone. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Shinde. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
So we'll end the meeting right. Bye everyone.
Bye.